Back to school stretchy book covers. Will it DTF? Let's find out. Now, I didn't even know this was a thing until someone on the team suggested it. And I gotta say, they're pretty cool. It's a great way to protect your library or classroom textbooks, but let's see if we can make them super cool with some DTF transfers. My biggest concern with this one is just how stretchy these are. We know DTF stretches well, but I don't think we've tried to stretch it like this. Also, I'm not entirely sure what this is made of. So let's keep the temperature on the lower side, maybe 260, and keep the pressure light. So we're gonna use a pressing pillow inside of it to help protect the graphic from all of these seams that are on the back side. All right, while that's doing its thing, you do your thing and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any DTF tips, tricks, and tomfoolery. All right, I don't know if you can see here, but you can kind of see some haloing. Hopefully you can see it on one of the cameras because at the right angles it disappears. But where the seams and the stuff was behind it, you can kind of see that on the front. That's why we use the pressing pillows. Otherwise those would show up on the graphic itself. We've done this before. We're gonna cool it off real quick. Beautiful. I expected that piece to work. However, let's see how it stretches. Okay, so as this stretches, it's gonna kind of pucker things a bit. I don't know, it might work okay. Let's see. That's actually working pretty good. So depending on the book that you put it on, it might stretch it a little bit to the extremes, but it's not breaking down at all. Even when I pull it like as far as the fabric will go, it's not breaking down. It just kind of like pulls a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Cool. Another success. So, stretchy book covers. Will it DTF? Absolutely. This worked really great. Like I said, I had never heard of these before, so cool little thing to help protect those library books. We used to have the old paper covers when I was in school. Again, dating myself. This series is making me feel old. We'll see you guys tomorrow for another Back to School Will It DTF.